This week, we have one of the most indispensable tools you can have in your shop and garage as our feature product. Check out the Ductile Iron Mechanics Vises from Gregg Tools. These heavy-duty bench vises, as the name suggests, are made from ductile iron, which is lighter than your standard cast iron vise, yet offers 3 times the strength with the ability to withstand 60,000 psi of force. The serrated jaws are made of a hardened steel, providing an unyielding grip, and are also fully replaceable if the jaws happen to get damaged. They come in 4-inch, 4.5-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch offerings. And we carry replacement handles, screws, nuts, and jaws for all of them. There's even an optional 360-degree swivel base to help you get the right angle on your workpiece. All of these features combined provide a bench vise that is not only versatile, but deliver a premium extended service life. Best of all, you guessed it, Gregg Tools is a 100% Canadian company based in Brampton, Ontario. So outfit your workshop while keeping it Canadian with this week's feature product, the Ductile Iron Mechanics Vises from Gregg Tools. What kind of bench vise do you have in your shop? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with our 100% Canadian content. Have a great day!